On this 2020 to 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid, P2229 is for the barometric pressure sensor circuit reading high. In plain language, the ECM/PCM may be seeing a BARO signal that is higher than it expects. The vehicle may run normally, or it may have a warning light and drivability changes depending on how the ECM/PCM responds. Broadly, this can involve a possible sensor signal issue, wiring or connector concern, or an input problem at the control module. Before getting into the code check, start with the basic system checks and follow a structured diagnostic approach. The logic for this code is straightforward. If the BARO sensor output value is higher than a specified value, the PCM determines there is an abnormality and stores the DTC. So for this diagnosis, we are looking for a high BARO reading and confirming whether the fault is duplicated right now. Turn the vehicle to the on mode. Then look at the HDS BARO sensor value. If the value is more than 855, 1 mmHg on USA and Canada models, or more than 879, 8 mmHg on Mexico models, the failure is duplicated. If the reading is over the applicable limit, treat the high BARO input condition as present during testing. If that condition is not present, do not guess at a repair from this check alone. Pause, recheck the earlier diagnostic path, and make sure the operating condition you are testing matches the complaint as closely as possible. The key takeaway for P2229 is to confirm the BARO value with the scan tool first. A reading above the model-specific limit duplicates the fault. Without that confirmation, avoid jumping ahead. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.